I'm ready.
All right, gentlemen, we want to see Howard showcase, if you please.
Your showcase is filled with prizes revealed during a tour of that unique summer resort, Camp Bel Air. Now, at Camp Bel Air, Uncle Jeeves, the head counselor, runs things a little differently. For instance, all his campers take a water safety class where they learn how to float. But not with water wings. No, no, no. Uncle Jeeves campers get to float in a new mini speedboat. The Addictor 190 Deluxe Ski Race Fish or Fly, you can have the time of your life. It comes with a 30-horsepower Tohatsu engine and trailer, the Addictor 190. And Camp Bel Air campers never have to sleep on wooden cots because Uncle Jeeves provides each special girl with a new waterbed. From Maker's Mark, yes, it's a waterbed, a romantic Cartier canopy bed complete with a nocturne flotation system, designed with the comfort of flotation to fit the most traditional of bedrooms from Maker's Mark. Of course, no camp experience would be complete without a backpacking trek through the wilderness. But at Camp Bel Air, the girls conquer the wilderness a little differently. They use a new Cadillac. A Cadillac Fleetwood sedan. This is the new front-wheel drive. Comes with all the standard features, plus these options. Reclining power memory seats, 6-way power seats, trunk lid pull-down, front, rear, and trunk floor mats, door edge guards, controlled cycle wipers, rear window defogger, illuminated entry, electric side view mirrors, passenger and driver illuminated mirrors, trumpet horn, AM/FM Bose cassette, cruise control, tilt steering wheel, Twilight Sentinel, and leather seating. And your showcase, filled with prizes revealed during our tour of that unique summer resort, Camp Bel Air, can be yours if the price is right.
Howard, I can see you cruising up and down Waikiki right now in that Cadillac. What do you bid on this showcase, Howard?
$16,800, Bob.
$16,800 is his bid on his showcase. We will check the actual retail prices in a moment, but right now, we want to do a little business with you. Howard, did you hear that moan from the audience when you bid $16,800 on that showcase?
Yes, I did.
Do you suppose they think you have overbid? You think he bid too low? Well, let's see. The actual retail price of his showcase is $31,225, a difference of $14,425. Gregory, you bid $5,000 on your showcase. Actual retail price, $7,848. You win with a difference of $2,848. Howard, thank you for being on the show. It's been a pleasure meeting you. Good luck to you. Gregory, you did it. Is this your wife?
Yes, it is.
Howdy. Congratulations. He has done very well for the family, hasn't he? I'm going to take just a moment here to say that I'd like to remind you to help control the pet population. Have your pets spayed or neutered. Goodbye, everybody.
This is Johnny Olson speaking for The Price is Right, a Mark Goodson television production.